Have you ever wondered why the most powerful leaders, the most dangerous manipulators, and the most mysterious masterminds never reveal their true intentions? Why do their moves seem invisible until it's already too late? Welcome to Mind Shadows, the place where hidden truths of power are revealed. Today, we enter the shadows of Law 3 of the 48 Laws of Power. Conceal your intentions. But beware, once you understand this law, you'll begin to see the invisible games around you, and maybe even play them yourself. Ask yourself, if people could read your every move, your every plan, would you still hold power? Or would you become their pawn, predictable and vulnerable? The law whispers a deadly truth. To control the game, you must control information. And the first step is to hide your true intentions. This law teaches us something unsettling. Openness is weakness. Transparency is surrender. The powerful do not announce their strategies. They disguise them with half-truths, distractions, or even false trails until it's too late for others to resist. The trickster's mask. Think of the fox in ancient fables. It pretends to be weak, lost, or harmless. But in the shadows, it's waiting, calculating the perfect strike. Leaders, kings, and even modern CEOs play the same game. They smile, they promise, they flatter. But behind that mask lies a plan you were never meant to see. Napoleon's silence. Napoleon Bonaparte mastered this law. When asked about his future plans, he would shrug, change the topic, or lie with ease. His generals, his enemies, even his allies never truly knew what he wanted. And by the time they guessed, Napoleon had already won. Remember this, mystery is power. The moment people think they've figured you out, you've already lost the advantage. Practical power. So how do you use this law in daily life? In business, don't reveal your entire strategy to competitors or even to your colleagues. In relationships, keep a piece of your mind hidden. Not everything must be shared. In conflicts, distract with one intention while moving silently toward another. The lesson is simple: let others underestimate you, misread you, or guess wrong. While they chase shadows, you walk freely in the dark. So now, return to our opening question. If people could read your every move, would you still hold power? The answer is clear. Power belongs to those who create mystery, who mislead expectations, who control the flow of information. This is why Law 3 commands us, conceal your intentions. But here's the haunting thought. If you're concealing your intentions, don't you think others are concealing theirs too? What if the people closest to you, the ones you trust, are already playing this law against you? In the next law, we'll step deeper into the darkness and uncover another secret that rulers, manipulators, and masterminds never wanted you to know. Stay with me, because the shadows have only just begun to whisper. This is Mind Shadows, where power is not given, but taken. Subscribe, stay alert, and never forget. The game of power is not played in the light, but in the shadows.